Okay, so here we are back to the form, and one thing I want to fix up are the memo fields. All right. Now to do that, I go into the lines here. Where I've got 24, and I just type in 24, 5, 2, 3, a bunch of numbers in here like so. Okay, and you can see the height of the form. Right? Like so. It's around there. So I want to modify the form height just a little bit. Bring it up a bit, like so. Bring this one up a fraction too, like so. Alright, and now I'll go back to the form. Oops, cancel. Go to this one here, strings, and clear all. Put in 24. Okay, now click on start. Oh, start. Run, I should say. Start. Alright, now what I've done is I added some more code to this script. Okay, now if you recall, we put in where are we? We put in the in array, the function in array, right? Very useful function, this one. Really useful. I use it. Silver did a really good job with this function. And I use it in another function called number is, right? Looks for the number that's coming in and the name that you give it. All right. So here we've got, it looks for the name. Okay, here's the case name, right? We give it a name, which is R for red, B for black. We've got D1, D2, and D3 for dozens, all right? And single zero. Okay, so far it's, and we just put in the array here, which is, that's the array called 0, right? And in the array for red, we've got all the numbers that are red numbers. We've got all, and in the black numbers, we've got all the numbers that are in the black numbers. In dozens ones, we've got all the numbers 1 to 12, and 13 to 24 in dozens 2, and 25 to 36 in dozens 3. That there is an array. Right? Looks inside that array to see if that number exists. Right? So far, it's just looking for red and black and single zero. Really, that's all it's looking for. And we look for it in our repeat, okay, which is our loop, right? Repeat here. This is the loop. Okay, so it goes until, so repeat until. We've got here, if number is, so it's looking for, remember the procedure or the function, number is, looking for the last number. So whatever the last number is, right, let's say it's 1, it'll look for red. If it's red, it'll type in or post in the memo fields, which is over here, the numbers. Okay, if it's green, it puts it in here. If it's black, if it's black, if it's black, it puts it there. If it's green, it puts it there. And if it's red, it puts it there. Let me just show you it in action so you can get a better idea of it, right? Start. And there it is, okay? You can see here number 5 is the last number on the bottom. And you can see up the top here, we've got 24, right? You can see 24 at the top. So let's just change that to oops, to 14 so you can see it better. Okay. So there it is, a little bit better. And it puts a blank line there, so we don't want that, but it's fine for now. And you can see the zeros here. See those? 2 zeros there. Right, so it puts it into the fields, into the memos. So that's using the lines and the add function, or the add command here, lines add. All right. Next one I'm going to try is to use insert instead of add. But at the moment, that's not too bad, not too shabby at all. It puts the numbers into the memo fields correctly. All right. So far, so good. So I hope that makes sense. We've got number is, as I said, which is a function, looking for the last number, and then the name, look for the name, which is in the function here. Right, we've got the names listed already. Okay, and if we look into back to here, we've got name single zero. Well, we've typed in the name, so it's looking for this particular name, right? Now I've changed the add, which was lines add, like you have it here, right? Lines add, into lines insert. Lines insert. And then I've got a comma, a bracket, and then a zero, and then whatever it is here, right? And I'll show what that looks like. First I'll save it. Right, run it, and click on start. You can see, let me just change this to 15, so you can see it, 14 actually. Start. Alright, so it starts from the bottom, 21 here, right, last number, which was 21, right, then 1, okay, then 22, 20, so forth, 23, you can see 23 come in here, right? So that works a lot better, okay? And you've got no space. Let's go to 15 here, just 15, click on start, and you can see the full marquee show up now, all right? Full of numbers. So we can get a 0, there it is, 0. You can see 0 right here, all right? So it comes down, or it comes up. The numbers go down here, and this goes up. They keep inserting in. Hope that makes sense. So that's using insert into the memos, I should say, because there's 3 of them here. Right. Black numbers, green numbers, and red numbers. And there are the numbers there. Alright, so far so good. That wasn't hard. We just added in a little bit more code. As I mentioned, we put in the number is, so it will display into the memo field. So memo 1, which is the black numbers, memo 3, which is the red numbers, memo 2, which is the 0 numbers, right? 132, 132. As you can see here, that's memo, that's black numbers, that's green numbers, which is memo 2, and memo 3, which is the red numbers. Simple. Save it.